Hey everyone, Jonathan Smith here with Vermeer Southeast. I got Henry Laureano here. He's the Aftermarket Customer Support Specialist out of Florida. Henry, I love seeing you, man, because you always have something really cool to bring me. This thing looks pretty cool. What do we got here, man?
Well, it's great to be here. Hello, everyone. So Jonathan, what we got here is three main components, and we call them the QuickFire HD. Stands for heavy duty. It consists of the starter rod with the QuickFire 400 adapter and a slide collar. And we're about to show you what this does.
Let's put this thing together.
Awesome.
All right. Okay. So we got the starting rod.
Yep, we got the starting rod. And this is the QuickFire collar. And the difference now that you're used to is this comes with roll pins now versus having those bolts, okay?
That's huge, Henry, because I mean, I can't tell you how many times we've been out in the field, and those bolts, either they back out or they shear off. So you're saying these two roll pins just kind of set the collar in there, and that's it?
And that is it.
Oh man, that's money.
That is
okay,
it. So,
cool.
Yep.
So it slides on this way?
That is correct.
All right, all right. You know, one thing I can see, Henry, to an advantage of this is before, when I had the bolts, the holes were fixed, right? So I kind of had to clock this thing in the right way.
Correct.
With this, it looks like I can just slide it in any position.
Right. So
and kind of clock it. I mean, that's huge, especially when you're down in the hole, guys. And you're changing out a reamer from the head or whatever, and you can't get that collar back enough to where you can kind of reclock it. That's huge.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so we'll move on to the QuickFire adapter HD. And it's a little bit different now. We got the pin side API versus when the old setup used to have a pin on the opposite side. So now we're in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and screw this in there real quick.
Nice and easy.
Yep.
Same thing as before. Very few turns to kind of tighten this thing.
Same concept. That's a good thing about QuickFire. Yep. All right, and let's go ahead and get this drill head in there.
All right.
Got it?
Gotcha.
Okay.
So any drill head, right? I mean, of our premium housings, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. All right. Got it just right.
All right.
Perfect.
Pretty easy.
Okay. Yep. Then we get it just there, and that is it.
That's huge. And then what? We just bang these.
Yep. We just go ahead and yeah. So, folks, when you buy the starter rod, it's going to come with some extra roll pins in there. It's also going to come with a punch as well. So you probably, as before, you want to make sure you have a couple extra roll pins just in case. But yeah, see how easy that is.
And it's huge because even on the bolts, they're easy to strip out.
Yep.
You know, once they strip and you can't get them out, you got to heat them off, do the whole thing.
Yep.
That's easy breezy right there.
Yep.
And then here's the punch. So if I wanted to get it out, just put it in there and bang them back out. Wow, that's huge.
Yep. It's a nice setup, and everything's available all your locations. So just make sure you ask for QuickFire HD connections, and I'll be great.
Henry, I really appreciate you coming to show this. I think it's an awesome setup for you guys. Like Henry said, if you have any questions, go to your local Vermeer Southeast dealer. And on behalf of everybody here at Vermeer Southeast, have a safe and productive day.
Thank you.